Everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I want to show you one of our newest trade-ins. It's a 2018 Sea Ray 190 SPX, and it is a stern drive. It did live in fresh water, so go ahead and check it out. Guys, inside this 2018 Sea Ray 190 SPX, it's powered by a Cruiser 200 horsepower motor with a Alpha 1 drive. It's a single propeller. Again, like I said, this boat was kept and used in only fresh water. It does have about 182 hours on it right now, and it's a perfect entry-level boat. You have plenty of room for seating. One of my favorite parts is this seat folds out of the way. It hides under this seat right here if you want to put your legs in front, but also expands when you want more room. This was one of the earlier generations where you can get this 5-inch Simrad display, and it still has the gauges on either side of the display. Came with the water sports tower and the bimini top, of course, and the white and dune interior. So fantastic boat. You guys should definitely come by and see it. And call me if you have any questions. My name is Billy Folks with MarineMax, and you can reach me at 936-223-6770. Thank you.